before Eid prayer, normally I spend some time to prepare my khutbah, right? And after Eid, then I come home, see my children, my family members, and also I do call some of my friends, my relatives, and say Eid Mubarak, or receive calls from them for Eid Mubarak. And then normally I come to my office and start working again. Then Zohar prayer, and then after Zohar prayer, I take lunch with my family members, and then after that my routine work starts again as I am spending on the normal days. So there is not much difference. Apart from that, on the Eid days I receive Eid Mubarak calls from different people, and also at the same time I sit together with my family member for some time, for 1 hour, and take my lunch with them.